Hi there, this is Matt from Planorama. So I want to show you something that really took me by surprise today. So what I'm looking at right now is the tool that we've built at Planorama for ourselves, Sinfonia. And it's a way to keep track of scope, to manage scope, elaborate it. It uses AI to assist with getting your scope and requirements laid out in an organized fashion, so you can create applications from it, whether it's from human development teams or with AI. And what I'll show today is where I was using the output from Sinfonia to the input of Lovable.dev. It is from the folks that have been that created GPT Engineer. They've done a really good job from the get-go, and I was quite surprised how far they progressed it. So what I did is I laid out a game that I've been toying around with for a while. It was very simple. It's a game to see how fast you can count things on the screen. And so this is a layout of all the features for that game to some level of detail. They're not all detailed out. Some are in particular, but we can always add more and make other customizations and things like that. So I laid this out to some degree of detail, and then what I did was I exported it, so I can export the markdown. So I did that already. Let me bring that up here. Where is the Finder? I'm sorry. Where the hell is the Finder? There it is. So I laid it out in I exported it out to a file. So that means everything in here, every one of these cards, any descriptions that come with them are all dropped out into a markdown file. And then I brought that over to Lovable, and I'm logged in right now, but I pasted that in. And I'm not going to go through the whole process, but it came back within a few minutes, I would say, and lo and behold, made the game, and it works. So let's go and make this 10 balls. Not going to show numbers, but I will animate them. Actually, no, I'm going to do it just regular first. And so my goal is to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's 9. Oh, it is. Good. 7, I think. Okay. And 3. I think I probably should have done more of this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should have done less of the rounds here. But you can see it does exactly what I wanted it to do. And I was really surprised how quickly it was able to put this together based on my specification in Sinfonia. So it'll go through 10 rounds. Right? It has a progress bar here telling me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that's 8. And 3, 4, 5. And at the end here, it gives me, I got 10 out of 10 right. Fantastic. Now what I can do, I'm going to come down here and let's give this a try. I'm going to say play again. And I'm going to, now I can do show numbers, I can animate. I haven't done the animation yet. Let's do a few rounds of this. Not 103, my lord. Let's do 3 rounds of this. Number of colors, I assume, I don't know. Let's give this a try. Okay, so they're not animated, but the numbers are in them. That's great, right? I've got 4 here, and I've got 2 here. And it gave me the accuracy. Fantastic. Let's try, and I did something before where I added in a request to have a game summary. This is where I put it in here. At the end of the round, have a game summary that tells how many were right and wrong. So let's come in and give this a try here and say, now I'd like to say, for the end of round summary, can you add in the, can you also show the average time per round taken before giving an answer. So let's give this a try here. I think it's going to be doing its magic in the background. I'm just astounded that I was able to drop in my spec that I output from Sinfonia and bring it over here, and it just, from the very beginning, it just worked. My jaw almost dropped when it when it did that. So let's see here. It shouldn't take that long. Added the 3 files, saving changes. The game summary now shows the average number of seconds per round in seconds alongside the accuracy statistics. Cool. Let's try 2 rounds just to check this out. Whoops. 2. We'll show the numbers. Let's make it 3 rounds just to make it interesting. 4. 4. And 1. There we go. Average time, 2.86 seconds. So look at that. I gotta say, I'm really astounded here. Let's try one more thing. It doesn't look like the ball animation is working. They are not. Let's see. The balls should be moving during a round to make it a little more difficult to count them. Let's see how this will work. This will be the last thing that we do here. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay. I think, does that mean it's done? I think it's done now. Okay, rerunning. Great. Looked like the colors changed a little bit, but okay. Let's say, oh, we lost the gameplay. Seem to have lost the start game button, or ability to start a game. Okay. Yeah, the game colors were removed too. Let's fix that. Good catch. Okay, let's try it again here. We'll do 4 rounds. Oops. We're going to animate the balls. Well, they are animated. There we are. Okay, that's okay. We're getting there. And then 4. Yeah, that is a high degree of nervousness, I think. All right, there we go. So tweaking to be done, but my God, how quickly this was able to put it together. So very exciting, great work by the Lovable team, the GPT engineer team, and I'm looking forward to playing with this more. So thanks a lot, and have a good day.